Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add admin to Meta Business Suite account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook, and you simply need to log in into your Facebook account. Then you need to select your page and go into the Meta Business Suite. So once you are in Meta Business Suite, you simply need to select your business account. Okay, so once you select it, you simply need to go into the settings. So here you can see a people, then you need to click on add people. Here you need to enter the email address. So let me enter the email address. Okay, so let me select another person. Okay, then you need to click on next, and here you have two options, admin and employee. So I want to add as an employee. Click on next. So here you can select the business asset. Okay, click on next again, click on continue. Here you can check your review, and then you need to click on send request. So this is the process by which you can add admin to Meta Business Suite account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.